22 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 3 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times, as our current remainder 2 is less than 3, so 0 times 3, 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down this 2, then we are getting 22. 3 goes into 22 how many times? Actually 8 times, that gives us 24, which is greater, so 7 times. 7 times 3, 21. Subtract, you are getting 1. 1 is your remainder, so our answer is 07 means 7, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal and add as many zeros as you can. So bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 4 times 12, which is greater, so 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next 0. 3 goes into this 10 how many times? Again 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. So subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down another 0. So you have again 10. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Look, this process is continuing, right? So you can place here 3 dot. So this is the answer. You can place here bar over 3. This means that this 3 is repeating. 7.3 bar.